Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop. Say the Unit 1. Unit 1. Adobe Photoshop Unit 1. Just load the Adobe Photoshop executable file, exe file. So you load that. So then select the new file. Select the new file. So this one menu ribbon. Main menu. Main menu. Identification of Adobe Photoshop. Identification of Adobe Photoshop editor. Main menu. File, edit image, layer, select, filter, view, window, help, like that. So you click the main menu, functions. So the sub functions, you can get the sub functions, new, open, browse, say, so then edit, image functions, everything. So you can use this. So this one toolbox. So you can use the later we can see the toolbox functions. So this one property changes bar. Property changes bar. So the layer function, channel, path. So likewise history, actions, tool palettes, tool presets, switches, styles, colors, whatever you need, say you can select from property bars. So first go to this file and select the new file or Control plus N for the shortcut. So you select the new. The file name, say you can type the file name. So the untitled, say the one created by manufacturers. So I type on here file 1, preset sizes, same as the paper sizes, paper size, letter size, legal, the other sizes. So the A3, A4, B5. So likewise, the paper sizes you can select on here. Preset sizes. Or otherwise, say you can define the sizes. So inches, units, pixels, centimeters, millimeters, points. So just select on inches or pixels. So just I type on here 200, width and height same 200. So the resolution, you can increase or decrease the resolution purposely, 72 or 300 or 600 or whatever, say the resolution. Say the color mode, bitmap, grayscale, RGB color, red, green, blue, CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black color, LED colors, whatever, say you can select from here. So just I select this RGB color. say the contents, back background color, you can select the background color or white or transparent. So now say here this toolbox, two type colors are here. This one foreground color, say here this one foreground color, so this one background color. Say the mouse pointer moving on there, say this one foreground color, this one background color. The foreground color black, background color white. So then after that, later also will come back to this same screen. So now see, then after that, okay. See that size is coming like this way. So I close this. So once again, file new. So type on here, file, file one. So now select this inches. Say the 12 inches. So here also 12 inches. So the 72 pixels. So then after that, okay, it's coming like this way. Say this one new file. So whatever you need, say you can do on here. This one editor, right? So this one Photoshop, how to get the new file, right? So you practice like this way. Meet on next unit.